What's going on YouTube? The Dividend Stock King here with another update to my portfolio. Before I get into my portfolio, this channel talk about buying assets, buying things that put money in your pocket for the long term. We talk about building another stream of income. Now, I always talked about working a full-time job, but we can't rely on a full-time job. We can lose our hours, we can move, we can sick and not work. Stuff can happen with our job that's not sustainable. So we need to build multiple streams of income. Always talked about having your main job, investing in dividend paying stocks, build you a side hustle, start a YouTube channel, start to a blog, start a side, drive an Uber, start a side business and build those things up while working a full-time job. Okay. I am not a stock expert. I am not giving you financial advice. I'm not giving you stock market advice. These are all my opinions. Now, this is important. This is up to my portfolio so far through this whole entire year. I dived in deep into the stock market once the pandemic hit and everything was pretty much for sale. That was the best time to get into the stock market, learn the stock market, buy stocks for a cheaper price, and see who paid the dividends and who didn't. Now, I like getting dividend. I'm a dividend investor. I want to buy a stock and to pay me money just to hold the stock. I like that philosophy. I need a second stream of income in case I lose my job, whatever, or I get laid off. I have money coming in until I find something different. Now, my portfolio has changed. It changed dramatically because I wanted to get 10 dividend paying stocks that paid monthly, give them up to $1, and that's it. Give them up to $1, and that's it, right? That'd be $10 a month. And then again, I'll find another 10. But once the stock market pretty much crashed, everything was like stock was just like $50, now 18. I quickly changed my perspective. And I saw month after month, I was getting these dividends coming in. I said, you know what? This is so passive. Maybe I should rethink my philosophy and let's go for a one-time goal. And what's my goal? My goal is to make passive income to pay the light bill, the water bill, my cell phone bill, or internet bill. And to all together, that's probably like $500 or less. But I'm saying to pay a light bill, water bill, or cell phone bill, and an internet bill. If I can knock out 4 bills with dividends, that leaves me with more freedom, more financial freedom. And now the money I was spending on those bills can go somewhere else. And the thought that I might lose my job, I've seen people at my job get fired, walked out, quit, and they had nothing else to go to. They had no money coming in, but money going out. So we need a second stream of income. Now, my goal is make $500 a month in passive income. How long it would take me? It would take me a long time to get there, but I got time. My philosophy is a 5-year goal. And a 5-year goal, well, 4-year goal, my son will be 5 years old, ready to start school. We're trying to make things happen now. And that's what we're doing right now. So these are stocks that I bought. Now, my latest one, I bought Horizon. I bought 100 shares total through the whole year. I just hit that maybe a couple of days ago. I sold some other stuff off to get to the $100 goal. Over 100 shares, I'm getting $10 a month. So I said I'm going to get 10 stocks to $10 a month, and that'll be $100 a month. Then find another 10 to $10, that'd be $200 a month. Or I might find 4 stocks I like the most, give them $25. It always changes. But right now, I'm working on getting 10 stocks to $10 and get that $100 income coming in a month. And Horizon, I got right here, just hit the 100 share mark, and they paid 10 cents a month. So 100 shares would be $110, okay? Look how much I invested into this thing. My market value of this, $12 a share. I'm still down $8, but that's okay. It goes up and down. But I recently bought this one because they invest in life science, health, other companies. And the stock that I sold, sometimes you gotta sell stocks, sell one investment to get to a better investment. And sometimes you might take an L. You will take L's in the stock market. You will take wins in the stock market. You can't control that. The stock I had before was paying good dividend and it cut it so bad, it wasn't believable. I'm talking about going from 13 cents to 3 cents. and no sign of coming back. So I'm like, well, I think it's time for me to move on from this one. I might take a little hit, but this one looks to be a better investment. They're more diverse in what they own and what they operate with. They pay dividend every month during the pandemic. So after the pandemic's over, everything about the normal, they should have no problem paying that dividend. So once this thing loads up, the web-based Robinhood is not good. But I use Robinhood as my stockbroker. If you want to use Robinhood, I have a link below the video to join Robinhood if you want to buy stocks. But that's my goal. I'm going to show you more of my portfolio as soon as this thing comes up. It's taking forever to get there. There we go. There's my portfolio. Now I'm Armor REIT. I'm going to get to 100 shares. That's $10 a month. And this, my way might not be the right way. I'm not an expert. Everyone is different. You know what I'm saying? Everyone's different. QLLD, I did a video about that. If I did the 50 shares, that would give me $10 a month. That's my goal. Every time I get paid, I buy stocks. You know, working from home, I'm not buying gas. Working from home, when I'm going to eat, we ain't going to the movies, we ain't going to restaurants. My wife's cutting my hair now, so I save me a little bit of money. I'm saving my own gas. You know, just all around, I'm saving money, and that money needs to go somewhere. It needs to go into some kind of investment. So I've been pouring money into the stock market. Now, these stocks here, I'm going to work on these. I'm going to do more research on these and see where I want to go with these. I want to go ahead and go gung-ho and just go ahead and buy a bunch to get $10 a month or what I want to do. We'll see. I'm buying more AT&T stocks. I'm not sure about Ford, but Ford is going up some. LTC, ZTR, all these stocks here I'm working on right now. So that's up into my portfolio. This thing is going really slow, but that's my portfolio in a nutshell. I do have some quarterly dividend paying stock like AT&T and BP, but the monthly one is paying monthly. You do your own research. You look at what's working, what's not working. And this is in Main Street. Like every stock has its goal. So AT&T, I want to invest enough money in AT&T where it pays every 3 months, I believe, and I want to make enough money where it pays my phone bill for the next 3 months. Main Street Capital, I want to pay me like $175 a month, $200 a month. Every 15th of the month, I get $200 in Main Street Capital every month. That pays the bill, whatever. They get buy groceries, whatever. You know what I'm saying? That's my goal. Every stock has its own mission in life, own purpose. But right now, we're sticking with this. We'll invest our money, and you do the same thing. This $9,000 that I have invested, it took me a long time to get here. It's not easy. It's scary. It's not easy. You got to do your research, do your homework, check out my channel. I do 3 videos per week. Check out my channel, check out my videos, and see how can you do it. You know, I got some ETFs here. Once they get to the number I want them to get to at $10 a month, I pretty much leave it there. I don't buy more shares. I would typically find another investment to start building that up because you want a strong foundation. You want to diversify your stocks. You want a lot of companies. You want them through 3 stocks. You want diverse. I'm going to say I did 10 stocks at $10. So if one takes a hit, or one cut a dividend in half, that's okay. The other 9 is still paying dividend. That one took a hit, that's okay. I could wait it out until the resuming dividend or cash it out and start another investment. I'll be fine. Okay, you gotta diversify that way. But that's it for the video. That's up into my portfolio. You see the stocks here. You can go ahead, look at Sigma Alpha, or the ticker symbols. Again, I'm not giving you no financial advice. I'm giving you my portfolio, what I do, how I'm getting there. I got Horizon 100 shares. It took me a long time to get there, but I'm finally there. I might be wrong. I might be doing this all wrong, but I'd rather learn from my mistakes if I'm making one and learn from them. Because nobody teach me to do this. I did all my research on Google and YouTube. I did all the research myself. Nobody sat down with me and showed me the stock market. I learned for myself, and I'm learning every day. So take time, learn it. Watch my channel, the Dividend Stock King. Subscribe to my channel. I'm going to do 3 videos a week, videos to help you out. What I look for in the stock, why I invest, how many shares I got, my portfolio update, And all they say, track my performance, track how much money I'm investing, and see can I reach my goal in 3 years. Okay. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you next time.